Hi everyone, Lewis here from Ooni Pizza Ovens, and today I'm going to go through the correct gas burner setup with Ooni Karu 12. I'm going to go through the setup using the Ooni 3 gas burner and the correct setup using the Ooni Karu 12 gas burner. First, let's go through the setup with Ooni 3 gas burner. Okay, so we're going to go through the setup with the Ooni 3 gas burner. So first thing to do is let's remove the rear hatch. We then remove the backdraft defender plate. We're then also going to remove the chimney. And then we're going to attach the gas burner to the oven. If it's just a little bit too loose, then using the supplied Torx key or Allen key, just give that just a little tighten, not too much, until the gas burner is securely in place. Next up, we're then going to add on the chimney puck, and that's going to cover the whole of where the chimney is installed onto the oven. And when you actually come to ignite the gas burner, just please ensure that the rear hatch is removed, just so visually you can see when the gas is ignited. When using gas, the door is not needed, so put that somewhere safe. Okay, so when come to ignite the gas burner, the key is to do it nice and slowly. You want to turn the dial slowly for about 5 seconds before you hear the click. Whilst the hatch is off, you can then see when the flames are running. Keep the gas dial held in for a further 5 seconds and then let go. When the flames are running, then replace the rear hatch. Now you're good to go. Okay, now we're going to go through the correct setup using the Ooni Karu 12 gas burner. Okay, so first off, we need to remove the rear hatch. We need to remove the backdraft defender plate. The Ooni Karu 12 gas burner has been designed for greater flame performance and serviceability. For the best experience, it's been designed to be used with the chimney. So install the gas burner to the rear. If it's a little bit loose, you could use your supplied Allen key just to tighten the bolts. You don't want to tighten them too much, only enough so that the gas burner is securely in place. Okay, so as I mentioned, the chimney needs to be in place just to help with the draw of those flames, because it's a longer flame that's produced on with this gas burner. So the chimney is on, chimney baffle is then fully open. The lever will either be pointing down or pointing up. That indicates that the chimney baffle is open. If it's pointing towards you or away from you, that means that it's completely closed. We want to avoid that. So let's make sure that's open. The chimney puck, we don't need it, so we leave that off the chimney. And for the door, we want to avoid using this as well, so please put this somewhere safe. So once the gas burner is in place and you're ready to go, the key to ignite it is to start it slowly. So push in your control dial, slowly turn it for about 5 seconds until you hear a click. Once the flame is ignited, keep it held in for a further 5 seconds before letting go. If the flames are ignited and they're running, then replace the rear hatch. And that is how you set up your Ooni Karu 12 with your Ooni Karu 12 gas burner. And just for clarity, here's a side-by-side comparison of how your Ooni Karu 12 should look with your Ooni gas burner. For more information, please check out our help pages over at ooni.com.